What's going on, guys? My name is John Shea, and what we're going to be talking about inside this course is a learning management system that you can utilize to actually self-host your online courses through a WordPress-based website. So if you're looking to go out there and say you have a blog and you've got people coming to your blog or whatever your website is that, for your business, and you want to obviously be able to have some capability to have a little bit more control over your online course, then LifterLMS is a really solid solution to look at as kind of a baseline. And the reason I say that is because they have a free plugin that you can get started with where you could essentially build this on a sub-site of some kind, or even make it your main site, however you want to do it, and get people into these courses. Now, one of the reasons I eventually didn't decide to go with it myself was because I have so many courses that going with one of these other sort of self-hosted solutions where they can host the videos for you and all those other things, it would have taken me so long to get everything uploaded to a new video platform, integrate everything, and I just knew it would be a real big kind of time commitment. If you have a small number of courses, I really think this is a good direction to go in. So I'm going to kind of walk through a little bit about what LifterLMS is inside this video, and then I'm basically going to start walking you through the features and just showing you how how everything kind of looks as you go through the plugin, and you'll ultimately be able to decide if this is something right for you. So again, they're really looking at the idea. They wanted something that was complete control, having the ability to really come in and just create a course that you're going to have control over everything in terms of settings and how things are going to look. Now again, you will need a WordPress website to do this. You'll need your own hosting. This isn't going to be something where you just upload videos into their system and you'll have everything hosted on their site. It's all going to be on your own website. They've got some testimonials from people using their platform here on their homepage. You get a lot of different people that have said a lot of positive things, so read through that. I'm going to check out the features just so you guys can kind of get a breakdown of what's actually included. They really boast themselves as an all-in-one solution. So LMS, launch one course, several courses, build an online school. You have things like quizzes, student reporting, grading, degree programs. I know they have certificates. There's lots of different things you can do there. E-commerce, no need for a third-party e-commerce system except payments right out of the box. So they do have some extended e-commerce features. I know you can get a WooCommerce plugin enhancement for LifterLMS. Engagement, you can automatically engage with the students. You can see how far they're progressing in the courses. There's a lot of settings for that, and we'll get to that. And then membership, obviously you want to be able to protect the pages. You could set up a forum, protect blog pages, things like that you don't want just the average people to see. Only people that actually pay for membership will be able to see these features of what you've hidden. So again, the biggest thing that they kind of go after here is that they're combining the idea of courseware, e-commerce, and marketing automation, as well as membership site protection. So a lot of solutions really don't offer all of those things in one. It's kind of like bits and pieces. So that's really what they're aiming for. They wanted to combine all of these things together. And they also wanted to make it easy to use and give people that are building courses an easy and complete way to control everything that they're doing. So they just kind of break down all the different features. You can do things like gamification, award badges based on lesson and course completion. You can look at student profiles who've never logged in, track analytics, orders, issue refunds. So you've got all that in there. Customizable content, membership sections, simple interface to create your course and start selling within minutes. You can create coupons and promotions. They do have a drip feature, so if you had someone come in and you wanted to only show week 1 of the course, you could actually make it so they can only see the first section, and then the next week they'll get section 2, week 2, whatever it is. And again, everything obviously is mobile responsive. So pretty straightforward. Let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So again, the main plugin is a free download, and you can do quite a bit with that. But they do have a couple add-ons. Either you can kind of get separate add-ons, or they've got different developer bundles based on how many sites you would want it installed on. So if you go with personal, each of these add-ons is looks like $99 each. And this is basically stuff where you might want to add in different things, like they have a theme where you could get all your courses set up. I'll show you that in the next video. They have a Pro add-on, which has some additional features. We'll get into that. And then you've got some other add-ons for things like adding in email marketing, like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Gravity Forms if you're doing stuff with forms, PayPal for payments or Stripe for payments, and then WooCommerce for e-commerce integration. Now, again, if you go with the Universe bundle, then you could go with that personal one for $300 total, and you'll get access to all of these. And then they do have some third-party add-ons that you can get as well for ActiveCampaign, Fusionsoft, Affiliate WordPress, Drip, Entreport, and this is basically other email marketing platforms you could take a look at if you're looking to get that. So in this video, I'll be covering some of the features you'll see with the Universe bundle because I do have that. So you'll get to see what's kind of all included there and what you're getting with some of these extra plugins. So let's kind of dive in the next video. I'll actually talk about the Launchpad theme, and we can kind of gander at that demo and see what we can do there.